Digital print industry as a whole needs a solution for recycling PVC banner material and other print medias. I don't think there's any doubt within the industry that PVC is a substrate that is very appropriate for digital printing. It's specified in a number of areas of the industry, and the market needs a solution for recycling the material. Otherwise it just goes into land waste, and people like Gardners need a solution, and their customers are looking for solutions. Soyang Europe is a manufacturer, stockist and distributor of digital print media, supporting the print industry throughout the UK and sometimes into Europe. Working with Blue Castle, we've been able to come up with something that can help the market.
I'm James Morris. I'm a sales director here at Gardners. So we're a large digital print manufacturer. We work in mainly the large format division, and we're generating print for sort of three main sectors, mostly retail. We work in the out-of-home spaces market and also the fleet market.
Blue Castle are a waste and utilities specialists. We specialise in hard to manage waste streams and more environmental options for utilities procurement. At the very beginning of the project, Soyang introduced us to Gardners as one of their test customers. And from the moment that we met Gardners, they really embraced the project. To start with, we just did their PVC recycling for them, but now we manage all of their recyclables and general waste for them.
Soyang Europe has a number of materials in its portfolio of products, some of which are already fully recyclable, some are made from recyclable yarns. However, a big percentage of the market is still using PVC, particularly the outdoor market, and we needed to find a solution. So working with Blue Castle, who we've been talking to for quite a period of time, finally we've come up with a solution that can support the industry and recycle the PVC banner materials.
PVC is one of the best substrates for media to promote goods on. Problem is, it wasn't the best to be recycled due to the mixed polyester content in it. So many contractors didn't have the time or the patience to do it, but we've come up with a process where we can process it. 12 months ago we came to Gardners in the intent of just recycling PVC banner. It was quickly come across that they got more than just PVC banner. So we looked at other markets, and this one, for example, is low density, which is PVC free. So we found a route for that. So now Gardners recycle all this and actually gain a small rebate for it. Then we developed another service where we could recycle the polyester banner. So we offered that to Gardners, and Gardners took that up, and as you can see down there, they bale that as well. So we recycle that for them. So the cardboard, we recycle for them. So all these materials came out of the compactor that was taken away 2 or 3 times a month, is only now once or twice a month. So there's a big cost saving there for them, as well as the incentive to recycle.
And the scheme has benefited our customers in the main, and what we look to do is, in terms of environmental, is have a responsibility that what we manufacture has an infrastructure outlet. And with a lot of plastics, that infrastructure just hasn't existed. So we've been constantly looking for that, looking at ways to manufacture responsibly, and then finding ways for our customers then to deal with products post its use. We're always looking at ways to improve what we do in a responsible fashion, and that's proven across pretty much every category in the products that we've developed for the print sector. We've won many clients on the back of that, and we're still developing products all the time, and the infrastructure behind that is also now catching up. In terms of downstream of print and in dealing with waste, I think we deal with waste across the business far better with this sort of infrastructure in place, because it then allows us to segregate across the piece, looking for ways to deal with that waste in a far more sustainable way than baling and putting out to just waste collection.